Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. So, children, are you doing well? So, what we are going to do today? Today, we are going to revise our lesson number 21, 2, and 3. So, here we go. Beta, lesson number 21 is given at page number 27. So, let's first start with lesson number 21, that is knowledge of computer, or you can say computer world. Do you have the knowledge of computer? So, let's start with the first one. First kya hai beta? What is first? The terms related to the computer, we use it in our daily life. Here is description of some. So let's start. So first term, any mistake or malfunctioning in the computer. Do you know what do we call any mistake or malfunctioning in the computer? Yes, we call it as a bug. Otherwise, in layman language, bugs are the small insects, na? In the same manner, the malfunctioning in a computer is to be called as bug. Second, physical equipments such as mechanical, magnetic, electric or electronic devices. What do we call the physical equipments as? Physical equipments ko kya bolte hain? What do we call them? We call them as hardware. You have done in your computer class also. We call all the physical equipments are hardware. For example, we are using the keyboards. We are using mics. You know, I'm using the mic here. Can you see this is the mic? Yeah, this is a keyboard. This is also a hardware. Okay, and here is a mouse. Mouse is a hardware. Speaker is a hardware. Monitor at which you can see me. It is a hardware. Okay, these all the devices are hardware. Third one, the actual data which is to be put in the computer. Can you know what do we call it as? The data that we put in computer is called as input. We call the data as input. What refers to any equipment or process that sends the information directly for the processing for the immediate results. Hanji bache, we send the information directly to you. For example, I am sending my video to you so that you will learn. So what is this mode? What is this process? This is called as online mode or online process. Hai na? Digit 0 or 1. What do we call the digits in computers? These digits, they are to be called as binary digits. Okay, they are to be called as binary digit. Next, what do we call the sequence of instructions which is given to the computer? Hanji bache, different sequence of instructions that are written in computer language. We call them as program. When so many instructions are combined, we call them as program. Okay? Another one. Physical devices used to store the programs or data. If your physical devices, what do we call our physical devices? That is used to store data. Kya bolte hai bachche? What do we call them devices as? We call them as memory. You might have studied so many types of memory, internal memory, external memory. Hai na? So collectively it is called it as memory. What the set of computer programs? Computer programs, set of computer programs is to be called it as software. Okay? Set of computer programs is called as software. So I hope that's clear to you and you will be able to do it. So shall we move to the next chapter number 22? Okay, let's continue. Yes, children. Yes, children. Let's move to our next chapter, that is chapter number 22. And for that, I am going to share my screen. So shall I? Here I go. So children, here is my screen in front of you, and let's start. Okay. First, this is the first question, bache. Ornithology. It is the study of, can you tell me? Ornithology is the study of birds. Yes, bache, it is birds. Okay, next question. Who invented telephone? Do you all know that? Can you name the person that invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Correct. This is the person who invented our telephone. Okay. Next, bache, Wright brothers. This is a very popular name. Do you heard of their name? Wright brothers are regarded as the inventor of the aeroplane. These days, aeroplanes is the fastest mode of transport now. The intensity of earthquake, it is measured with a device. Can you name that device? Yes, it is seismograph. Okay. Another question. Scientists who first discovered that the earth revolved around the sun. Can you name that smart scientist who checked that earth is revolving around the sun? It is Copernicus. Next question number 6. Who discovered circulation of blood in the human body? Do you know that in our body blood circulates? It transports your food, water, oxygen to the all parts of body. And which scientist discovered the circulation of blood? It is William Harvey. Can you remember his name? William Harvey. Another one. Study of earthquake. What is the study of earthquake known as? Seismology. Its study is called as seismology, and the device used to measure the intensity is called seismograph. Okay. Next, meteorology. Meteorology is the study of weather, right? Meteorology is the study of weather. Daily you are having the weather reports now, whether today will rain or not. And what is the temperature range today? Either it's too hot or it's too cold, right? So meteorology, this study is called as meteorology. Now next we will move to the lesson number 23. But in lesson number 23, we have to circle the odd one out. This is the first option. As you can see, the first, a triangle within a triangle, a circle within a circle, a square within a square. And what is at the last? A square within a rectangle. But what should it be? It should be a rectangle within a rectangle. So it is the false option. Okay, so you should circle this one. Second one, 33, 34, 44, 55. Which is the wrong option? Yes, it is 34. It's not a duplet. Otherwise, 33, 44, 55, same number. These are the duplets. Next one, arrows, right? So children, these are the arrows. Can you see the first one arrow? The two arrows, they are pointing in opposite directions. Their heads are in opposite direction, right? In B also, one is above, other is in other direction. But can you see the third one? The two arrows, they are pointing in same direction. However, in fourth one, these arrows are again pointing in different directions. It means odd one out is C. Okay. Right. Now let's move to the next one. Can you see the first option? Triangle, and the pointed end of triangle is a circle. Another triangle, pointed end is a circle. But can you see the third option? Yes. The circle lies at the end. It's not at the pointed end. Okay. Moving upon to the next. Next, beta, can you see one line? In B, you are having two lines. In C, you are having three lines. In D, You should have 4 lines that to be horizontal. But now you are having 3 lines, 2 horizontal, 1 vertical. So this is the wrong option. Right? And for 6, you can see a straight line, then a line that is cutting this angle. However, in C, you can found a right angle. Right? In the last option, can you see B, E, and F? They are having horizontal symmetry. The line is horizontal over here. However, in A, the lines are vertical. I hope all the chapters are clear and you will revise them well. You can do it well. So children, let's continue our topic in the next tutorial. Right? Till then, take care and revise your work properly. Bye-bye, Vijay.